And that thing's massive, but I can't wait to see how he was able to haul that thing in. That'll be coming up at 6. But we should get a check of the weather now because it might be fishing weather for some.
I would say a nice warm day to fish. So let's bring in meteorologist Robert Suhr. So what can we expect?
Well, we can expect summer to really try to make a big-time return here. We're about a week away from the official start of astronomical spring. Or astronomical fall, excuse me, I'm ahead of myself. But yeah, it's going to warm up. Real quick, though, I want to open up. We do have an accident on Highway 71 down in Scott County. We've got an 18-wheeler that is upside down now on the southbound side, just north of Waldron here, about 2 miles north of Waldron. This is Lake Waldron right here. And then it looks like in this sharp turn, that's where that 18-wheeler decided to roll over. So if you're headed south toward Waldron or headed north toward the River Valley, expect delays in that area. Meanwhile, things are nice and quiet. We'll take you out toward Highway 412 over Beaver Lake. Some fishermen out there, 82 degrees, another gorgeous day. Still, dew point's pretty dry in Blue Springs Village with a dew point of 59. Elsewhere across northwest Arkansas, really not too bad. Lower 80s, and we're starting to lose some of that daytime heating, so temperatures will start to drop over the next couple of hours. Not a cloud in the sky. We've got those sapphire blue skies over Fort Smith right now where it's 90 degrees. That's a really dry dew point of 50 degrees, which is why it actually feels slightly cooler than the actual air temperature. It's 90, but it feels like it's 88 because when you get that super dry air, it actually can have a cooling effect sometimes. Still under the influence of this high pressure, but as it pulls away, yeah, that flow around it is going to start pumping that humidity back in here. Watching these clouds, they're going to make their way over toward our area as well. While many of us are asleep, we'll have a weak trough that's going to across the area, I should say a boundary, and as it does so, it'll touch off just a couple of more clouds. No rain really to speak of, which is good news. Temperatures will be warmer tomorrow than they were today, but waking up Thursday and Friday morning, temperatures really not too bad. We are keeping our eye on tropical depression right now, 7, just east of the Leeward Islands. It is expected to become a tropical storm here over the next couple of days, but mainly impacting the Leeward Islands and over toward Hispaniola. Not sure if it'll become a hurricane just yet. Lows tonight, still comfortable, mid-50s. On average, and then in the River Valley about the same thing, right around 60 degrees for our lows. And highs tomorrow, really not too bad, but warming up mid-80s to lower 90s, and then it really starts to get warm. Look at some of these temperatures for northwest Arkansas. Average high is 82. We're going to blow that way, way out of the water. We'll be 10 degrees above average at least as we start the week of the LPGA tournament. It's going to be a hot one and really warm in the River Valley, folks. We are going to challenge records next week, I think, with no rain in sight over the next 7 days. Stay with us. We'll have much more. 4029 News at 5 after the break.